I'm going to demonstrate the live filter capability of the Unique Bible app. What live filter does is it filters out matching verses in the study window. So when you start up the live filter for the first time, you're not going to have all these filters. You'll have to define filters. So like for instance, let's remove this one and recreate one. So I want one that matches Christ. And you select this, it will only show the verses that have Christ in it. This is particularly useful for searches. And let me demonstrate that. So let me search for Joseph in the entire Bible. And let's say I want to do a live filter for coat. Let me add coat. I don't have that currently defined. Add that. And so here now we see all the verses with Joseph and coat in it. What about if we want to only see New Testament verses? So click on this, New Testament. And let's say we want to also have the names of men. These are, I've predefined this with just a whole bunch of names of men, and then we can take a look at this. And so if any of these names of men match, then it'll filter that. So this is just a regex string. So go back to men and New Testament. What about women? So here's all the New Testament verses with Joseph in it and names of women in it. Let's look at the Old Testament. So live filtering is a good way to do quick searches. So if you were to just do this on this search here, you'd have to manually enter this every single time, and it will take a while to run every single one. But with doing it this way, I can say, okay, I want to do a word study on Joseph, and then using the live filter, I can just quickly narrow down the results. If you want more information about live filtering, you can go to the wiki page, live filtering, and some examples and some example filters. So I showed you earlier about filtering with the Old Testament, New Testament. You can define it with this.